What's the matter, Lucy? What's under there? What's under there, Lucy? Oh, Lord. There's nothing under there. They left. I heard them. I heard him say, Minnie, go get the kids. Go get Grandma. Pack your shit. We gotta get the hell out of here. That giant gargoyle statue, she done came alive. She's after us. Oh no, we're all gonna die. Go get Marty next door. Go tell him. Get his kids, get his grandma. Take whatever they can carry on down in the back, still in the knapsacks. Grandma done made for them. Look, we'll head for the lattice. It might take us 2 days to get there, but we'll get there, and we'll be safe. We'll spend the winter there. She won't get us. Oh, Lucy. Oh, look at you, you're filthy. Now I'm gonna have to give you a bath. Dig, Lucy, dig. Oh, poor Lucy. She's getting so mad. Oh, don't cry. It's all right. Perseverance. Perseverance at its finest. She ain't giving up. No, she ain't. If you dig a little more, Lucy, you can get your whole body under there. You're not trying hard enough. She got her ass up, sticking up in the air. Oh, don't cry, Mama. It's all right. You are filthy. Oh my God, you are not going in the house till I wipe you down. There you have it, folks. Natural prey drive at its best. Tails wagging. Oh. Oh no. Lucy. You're making some silly noises, darling. Look at her tail, it's like a handle. Oh, Lucy, you're breaking my heart, honey. It's okay, Mom. Oh, Lucy. Dig, Lucy, dig. Dig, girl.